Hey guys, welcome back. In this short Illustrator tip, I will show you guys how to repeat and rotate an object in a circle using the repeat grid tool. Alright, so let's say we want to rotate this one in a circle. So all we need to do is you can make a copy in here, and for this you can go to objects, and in here you can go to the repeat and select the radial repeat. Okay, so once you select the radial repeat, as you guys can see, it's by default adding in 8 duplicates of that particular object, and these are instances of this object. You guys can go in and edit the original object if you want to. Let's say you double click to open, and if you make any changes to this object in here, you can see all the other objects also changing, which is really cool. And you can increase the duplicate copies from here. You can add in a value, type in also if you want to. You can make it 5 or 10, whatever the amount you want. So in here you can adjust how many copies you want. And let's say if you want to change this color, or maybe even if you want to change the angle, you can do so also. So when you change the angle, as you can see, all the duplicates copies also change. Previously, this kind of shapes are very difficult to do. Now you can do them very easily. All right. And you can edit the size of the circle by moving this circle in here, this icon. So you click this one and bring it higher, bigger. Then you can see the circle is expanding. And you can also define how long your repeat need to be. You don't have to be a full circle. By changing this value in here, by moving this icon, you can see you can move. Let's say you only want from here to here, you can choose that from here. Same for this side also, you can do the same like this. All right, and beside this, you guys can do all the modification to one instance. Every other instance will follow exactly like that. And let's say you want to add in more objects to these instances. Let's say if you want to add this one in here, you can do that also. You can copy, Control C, and double click to open like a group, and you can paste in here. Once you paste, it's also placing in all other places. You can resize, and you can place them anywhere you want. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily rotate an object in a circle. And in our next tip, I will show you guys with the same repeat grid how we can do other shapes as well. Okay, thank you for watching. See you guys in the next tip.